So yeah, another session, another beautiful trade. This one was simple, predictable, and easy to trade. So even the market started uh, going up a little bit. I opened, as you can see, I opened a short position for my Ethereum. By the way, for those interested in my strategy, you can learn it from the course in the bio or description, or go directly to learnthestrategy.com/free, so you can watch the first episode for free. All right, back to this trade. So as you can see, the market is creating ups and downs, but the downs are stronger, so the sellers are stronger and pushing the market down a little bit. My entry point was at $4,305, and yeah, the margin was around $1,900, and my leverage was 150x leverage. Yeah, this trade was basically from a signal that I got using my own trading strategy, especially MACD and RSI. Bollinger Band wasn't that strong, and I couldn't just see the market through Bollinger Band, so that's why I just avoided using Bollinger Bands and kept using MACD and RSI. So as I was saying, here the market didn't go up too much. I missed a point where the buyers tried to liquidate everybody, and then I was at minus $500 or something, and then I saw that my PNL is getting stronger. So see, I'm at $500 right now, and this trade was predictable. I knew that I'm going to reach around $1,000 at least. Yeah, so $1,000 at least. Yeah, from this point, I guess it was easy. From this point, the market kept going down. I was like predicted. Everything was going perfect until we reached my goal. Yeah, so my goal was at around $1,000 or more. So $1,300, that's enough for me, because this is not one of the strongest signals. $1,300 is enough. I guess that I reached the $1,300 and I didn't quit. I didn't set take profit. I wanted to do it manually, and at this level, it was my goal, $1,300.